Hello world, and welcome to Passion Corners. In this series, we will explore the popular MERN stack, and this is what we're going to be building. An authentication system for your MERN stack application, which will include login, registered, forgot and reset password, and the system will also include error handling with toast messages, and sign in with Google. Once the user is logged in, they are presented with a dashboard where they can update their information and change their avatar. In addition, the project source code is available in a GitHub repository where each lesson is organized in a branch to help you code along easily. I hope you're excited to get started, and I'll see you in the first lesson. Let's go.